So is network marketing even worth it? Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I want to talk about network marketing and is it actually even worth your time? Is it worth your money? Is it worth your energy? And the answer to that question is yes. But in my opinion, it really depends on three things. All right. The first thing is you have to believe in the company. All right. You have to believe in what the company stands for. You have to believe in the company's opportunity. You have to believe in the company's products or services, right? Because this is where it all starts. When you believe in something, it automatically makes it worth your time and energy to mess with. And the second thing is you need to treat network marketing like a real business. All right. Now, it actually is a real business, but a lot of people get into network marketing and they do it in a way that's like half-assed. They do it in a way where, you know, they might just sign up for something, they pay a membership fee, they get a couple products, and then that's it, right? But yet and still they calling themselves a business owner. I have an online business, but they don't do absolutely nothing. They don't put time into it. They don't promote it. They don't even think about it until it's time to continue paying their membership fees or buying products and things like that. If you don't treat it like a legit, true business, it won't be worth it. And the third thing that can make network marketing worth it is commitment. All right. You need to commit to the network marketing opportunity, to the company. And if the first two things are in check, and I mean, you know, believing in the company and actually taking it and treating it like a real online business, being able to commit to it should be very, very easy. But a lot of people get into network marketing and they're like, yo, I'm in it for the quick money. You know what I'm saying? I've been watching videos, I've been reading articles, and they say there's people that's making, you know, $10,000 in 3 months, you know, $30,000 in 1 year, right? That's not the norm, right? Is it possible? Hell yeah. But you got to be a real go-getter, you know what I'm saying, to do things like that. But if you commit to the company, commit to the opportunity, and you already know, look, I'm in this for the long game, right? I'm in here for at least 3 to 5 years. I'm putting in on this opportunity. I'm focusing in on this. I'm committed to this company, this opportunity. Then I feel like it's definitely worth it. Why? Because the longer you stay in, right? Common sense, the longer you stay in, the better chance you have of actually making money and being successful, right? But if you get into it and you give it 6 months and you realize like, damn, I only made like $10 in 6 months, right? You're not that committed. So it's easy for you to be like, you know what, I'm done. To hell with this. I'm done. It's a wrap. I'm moving on, right? I'm getting into crypto. I'm getting into damn drop shipping, right? And let me tell you something. You're going to have to bust your ass doing that too. So you might as well stick to what you halfway love or halfway into and make it work. So in my opinion, network marketing can definitely be worth it for you, but you really have to take it serious, treat it like a business, believe in the company, and commit. And you can be successful in network marketing. Now, if you want to check out the 2 network marketing opportunities that I am currently involved with and making money with, you want to watch this video right here, right now.